Back. Well, today one of the issues that our new C60 has is a carburetor. It'll start, it'll run, it runs like crap, and it dies when it idles. So we're gonna go ahead and pull off air cleaner and stuff so we can get to the bolts. Probably take this whole carburetor off. I bought some engine degreaser. We're gonna get that cleaned up, but first things first, stopped at Diesel Kids and grabbed a battery, so we're gonna get that going so we can actually start the truck and get it up by the garage. So we got the 60 over here. You take your wing nut off the top of your stud, and then the top of your box comes off, your filter. And there's a vacuum line on the back. You gotta pull that off to get this off, so we're gonna do that real quick. Okay, so for that hose on the back, I tried wiggling it, wouldn't come off. So this is actually a rubber grommet in the top of the valve cover. This literally just pulls out, so makes things easier. There, that's out of the way. Now we can get to the part that we need to. That goes to the linkage, so we can maybe pull that out. Maybe. What am I doing wrong?
You bought a Chevy, not a Ford.
Camera guy's fired. Oh wait, I'm holding the camera. To be continued. So, I don't know why, but this is just supposed to pull out. Oh, I guess there's a pretty good lip right there. I guess that happens in a 50-something-year-old vehicle. But I loosened up the screw. Got to loosen up the screw down here. Screwdriver. That is the choke cable. Get that out of the way. And then we are going to grab an adjustable, take our fuel lines off, or fuel line, and get a ratchet down on these. And that should be off. So after a little bit of fighting, we got the carb off. That gasket looks nasty. It's kind of dark down in there. But got the carb over here. We're going to probably start by taking the bowls off and see how nasty it is in there. I'm guessing kind of bad. And hopefully we can get this thing going. I'm going to start by taking off the bowl. I just take a quick spray down with some carb cleaner. This is a 5/16. Come up pretty easy.
We're getting zooted.
Getting who?
Zooted off brake cleaning gas.
Yeah.
Steve's too old. He doesn't know millennial speak.
Nope. All out. Aha.
Hammer.
There it is. It matches the toolbox. I'm just kidding. We'll be right back after I drop the carb cleaner. Okay, so that gasket was actually holding on pretty good, but it is pretty gross in there. Let's see. I guess it's not really loose, but it's pretty gritty. I didn't really do an in-depth. I took the bowls off, I cleaned all the crap out. I took off, if you flip it over, the Phillips screws that are down here, I took all that off. I took my carb cleaner, well, I took my brush, I brushed everything. I blew through every single passage. I took my air pressure, running maybe 40-50 psi, and I blew through everything again. I have to look up and see what carburetor this actually is so I can buy a rebuild kit. But I'm just going to throw it back in the truck and see if that little bit of cleanup was enough to actually get it running. Well, we got the carburetor back on. Of course, I didn't really think this... Oh, never mind. It's all good. All back together the way it's supposed to be. It's still not 100%. I still got to get a carburetor kit for it. But it actually runs. And this is gonna be really hot because it's like 80 degrees out today. A lot easier to follow the choke with two hands. There we go. It'll actually idle by itself now. So there you have it, YouTube. We got the truck running and idling. Next project is going to be, well, a couple projects coming up. I ordered spark plugs. We're going to see if spark plugs are going to help it run better. And it sounds like absolute garbage right now because passenger side is literally straight up manifold and the driver's side actually has a muffler on it. These at a garage sale. Flowmaster Super 10s, and we got them for a steal. Picked them Flowmasters up for $5 a piece. And they already got tips and hangers on them. So Big Truck's going to be getting some Flowmasters. So see you on the next one.